Did you know that drinking turmeric tea every day could be harmful? Turmeric tea with its warm, soothing taste is enjoyed worldwide for its reputed health benefits. Yet a daily cup may not be everyone's golden ticket to wellness. Now let's delve into the risks and potential side effects of daily turmeric tea consumption. Firstly, let's talk about the risk of gastrointestinal issues. Turmeric, the star ingredient in turmeric tea, contains compounds that can potentially increase stomach acidity. While this may not be a problem for everyone, it can lead to digestive discomfort for some. And for those already dealing with gastrointestinal conditions, such as acid reflux or ulcers, this increase in stomach acidity could exacerbate these problems. So, if you suffer from acid reflux or ulcers, it may be best to limit your turmeric tea intake. Next is the blood-thinning effects of turmeric and its interactions with certain medications. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, possesses natural blood-thinning properties. This means that drinking turmeric tea excessively could increase the risk of bleeding, especially for individuals already on blood-thinning medications or those with bleeding disorders. But it doesn't stop there. Turmeric can also interact with other types of medications. For example, it could potentially interfere with the effectiveness of diabetes medications and drugs that reduce stomach acid. This interaction could lead to unforeseen consequences and adverse effects. It's like a surprise party that nobody wanted. As with most things in life, too much of a good thing can lead to complications, and turmeric tea is no different. One of the compounds found in turmeric is oxalates. These compounds can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. So, if you're already susceptible to developing kidney stones, overindulging in turmeric tea might tip the scales in the wrong direction. Now, let's talk about allergies. While not common, some individuals might develop allergies or sensitivities to turmeric over time. Symptoms can range from skin rashes and itching to respiratory symptoms. The more frequently you expose your body to turmeric, the higher the likelihood of experiencing these allergic reactions. Finally, some other potential dangers of drinking turmeric tea every day. Turmeric contains compounds called polyphenols, which can inhibit the absorption of non-heme iron, the type of iron found in plant-based sources. So, if you're a regular drinker of turmeric tea, you could potentially be contributing to an iron deficiency or exacerbating an existing one, especially if your body struggles with iron absorption or you have increased iron needs. Now moving on to another aspect, excessive consumption of turmeric tea can lead to a condition known as yellow skin syndrome. It's a harmless but potentially unwanted yellowish discoloration of the skin. Those with fair skin or who consume large amounts of turmeric may be more at risk. Let's not forget the liver. While turmeric is generally beneficial for liver health, too much of it could interfere with liver enzymes, potentially leading to liver toxicity or damage. Pregnant women should also exercise caution. Turmeric may stimulate uterine contractions, increasing the risk of miscarriage or preterm labor. Lastly, for those with gallbladder problems or a history of gallstones, daily consumption of turmeric tea may exacerbate symptoms due to increased bile production. So, while turmeric tea can offer health benefits, consuming it daily could potentially lead to these issues. Moderation is key when it comes to consuming turmeric tea. While the beverage is loved for its soothing taste and potential health benefits, drinking it excessively or every day may lead to unwanted side effects. It's vital to remember that these risks are associated with excessive consumption. Remember, it's always best to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare provider before making any drastic changes to your diet or lifestyle. Share your thoughts on today's video. Subscribe for more interesting topic. Thanks for watching.